Good afternoon, everyone. This is John Parker, and every now and then I put a video on Facebook and YouTube discussing insurance questions and issues, and sometimes it's other issues altogether. But today I thought I would discuss the personal umbrella policy. Now, a personal umbrella policy, there's a lot of them out there. People have them, and there's quite a few people that don't. And I thought maybe I would touch on what they do, so you kind of can make an informed decision. We all buy automobile insurance, hopefully, and part of that automobile policy is liability insurance. And liability insurance is what reaches out, and should you be determined negligent or liable for causing bodily injury or property damage to someone, you will be protected by your liability insurance on your auto policy. Same with a homeowner policy. We have liability insurance as part of that package. And should you be determined negligent or something there, you cause bodily injury or harm to a person or some property that they may own, your liability insurance there is what would respond and protect you. And usually these come in increments of $300,000, $500,000, and so on. So a personal umbrella policy just hangs over that liability insurance. It's on your auto and homeowner policy. And they provide additional protection. An umbrella policy comes in increments of $1 million. You can buy 1 million, 2, 3, 5, whatever the case you feel you may need. And what it does is protect you and your assets. You worked hard all your life, and you have a home, and you have savings and 401k and on, and assets, and you want to protect them. And this provides protection. Should you have a catastrophic event, let's say that you have an accident with a school bus, and there's a lot of people on a school bus and they could be harmed. That's one thing. Something could stem from your home. You be determined negligent or liable, and let's say that you're out cooking on your grill and somehow, some way you catch the neighbor's house on fire, or whatever the case may be. So this can provide protection, and they're not very expensive, an umbrella policy. If you have a youthful operator, a lot of times people like to have these umbrellas because, I know youthful operators tend to drive a little fast, and they're learning to drive and new to the road and everything. So it's just added protection should the worst happen, help you protect your assets and save you from. And by the way, if you think about it, if you would cause harm to someone, you don't want to run out of insurance and not be able to provide them with what they need outside to protect your own assets. You want to do what's right. And and anybody can have an accident, as we all know. But anyway, I want to reach out and say thank you to all our veterans, past, present, and future, male and female. God bless you. You do a fantastic job keeping this nation free, and we sure do appreciate it. Thank you very much to the veterans. If you have a topic you want to hear me discuss, reach out to me. I am happy to discuss it if I can. Thank you for listening.